Welcome to Chandigarh University, India's #1 private university, where we redefine business education and prepare you for success in the corporate landscape. Our curriculum is designed to provide you with a holistic understanding of business fundamentals, from strategic management to finance, marketing, human resources, and more. Our range of emerging specializations ensures you're equipped with the latest knowledge and skills that meet industry demands. Our exclusive labs provide hands-on experiences that bridge the gap between theory and real-world application. Prepare for success with our robust industry-academia interface. Benefit from seminars, workshops, and expert talks by industry leaders that shapes your career trajectory. Our pre-placement training, professional grooming, and mock interviews ensure you're job ready. Through a network of corporate partners, Chandigarh University opens doors for global placements and internships. Elevate your career, expand career horizons, and embrace business success with an MBA at Chandigarh University.